Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to change payment method on YouTube TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your YouTube TV. So once you open your YouTube TV, now all you gotta do is simply locate your profile icon, which is on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you simply locate it, you need to simply tap it on. And once you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you gotta do now is simply scroll down below and go to billings. So once you're in your billing section, you need to visit your subscription at first. And once you find the subscription you want to edit, simply tap on click manage. So once you simply go and tap on subscriptions and services, you need to choose a payment method and simply choose to submit it. Once you have done this, you will be simply able to choose your next alternative by tapping on change payment method, and after doing this you can simply change it on YouTube TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.